really starts and ends with the customer journey. Is your CMO focusing on addressing all of your customers' needs throughout their journey? That's where I would start. Because if you don't understand how the customer journey has evolved when it comes to digital now, you're falling behind.
And I like this quote here because I think it really kind of applies. SEO's reporting on the sheer number of links is like home builders reporting on the number of nails. And it's not always about the quantity of links, it's about the quality as well.
And so you're required to take all of these skills, blend them together to produce the types of results that your company is counting on you to achieve. We realized that 50% of the time, social actually was bringing someone in and discovering our brand for the first time.
Think about what are we using today, and are there other tools that we need or that we could use to really help us do better?